In this video, I am going to show you how to create a poll on Facebook. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. Here, I have saved my Facebook account web page in the bookmark bar so that I can log in easily. Let's click on it. Now, you should know that you can't create a poll in your personal account or page. Let's show it practically. If I go to Create a Post, you can see that there is no option to create a poll here. Even if I click on the three-dot icon, there is no option. The same goes for the page as well. You can only create a poll post in Groups on Facebook. In the left side menu, click on Groups. Go to a group where you want to create a poll. It can be your own group or a group you joined, it doesn't matter. In the group, you will see the option to create a poll.
Let's click on it.
Here, you need to write a question or suggestion for the poll. Now we need to add the options. Click on one option and add your choice for the poll. Repeat the process for the other options. If you don't need an option, click on the cross icon to delete it. Now you can tag someone or customize the poll more as you like. After you are done, click on Post. Here you can see that we have successfully created a poll on Facebook. Following these steps, you can create a poll easily on Facebook.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.